Hi everyone! Today we're going to compare the Apple iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro. We'll break down the key differences and similarities to help you decide which one is right for you. I hope you find this video helpful. Let's talk about the display on the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro. Apple is reportedly increasing the screen size from 6.1 inches on the iPhone 15 Pro to a larger 6.3 inches. Along with this size upgrade, we can also expect a brighter OLED display, making it even easier to view in bright sunlight. This enhancement promises to deliver an even more immersive viewing experience, whether you're streaming your favorite shows or simply browsing the web. One of the exciting changes coming to the iPhone 16 Pro is the reduction in bezel size. The new model will feature slimmer bezels measuring just 1.2 mm compared to the 1.71 mm bezels on the iPhone 15 Pro. This means you'll get more screen real estate and a more immersive viewing experience, with the display extending even closer to the edges of the phone. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro is set to feature the latest A18 Pro chip, a step up from the A17 Pro chip found in the iPhone 15 Pro. This upgrade is expected to bring even better performance and improved efficiency, making everything from gaming to multitasking smoother and more responsive. With this new chip, the iPhone 16 Pro will likely set a new standard for speed and power in a smartphone. Let's dive into the camera upgrades expected with the iPhone 16 Pro. This model is rumored to come with a significant boost in its camera capabilities, featuring a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, up from the 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the iPhone 15 Pro. Additionally, the telephoto lens is also getting an upgrade with a 5x optical zoom compared to the 3x zoom on its predecessor. These enhancements will allow for sharper, more detailed photos and greater flexibility when capturing distant subjects. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to come with a slightly larger battery at 3,355 mAh compared to the iPhone 15 Pro's 3,274 mAh. This increase in capacity could potentially offer longer battery life, allowing you to use your device for an extended period without needing a recharge. The iPhone 16 Pro is set to support 40 watts fast wired charging, a notable upgrade from the 27 watts fast wired charging available on the iPhone 15 Pro. This enhancement means you'll be able to charge your device more quickly, reducing downtime and keeping you powered up when you need it most. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to feature faster 20 watts MagSafe wireless charging, up from the 15 watts MagSafe charging available on the iPhone 15 Pro. This improvement means you'll be able to charge your phone more quickly using MagSafe accessories, making it even more convenient to keep your device powered up wirelessly. The iPhone 16 Pro will feature Wi-Fi 7 technology, offering a significant upgrade from the Wi-Fi 6E support in the iPhone 15 Pro. This new technology will provide faster and more reliable internet connections, enhancing your overall online experience with improved speed and stability. The iPhone 16 Pro is rumored to come with a new capture button designed to enhance your photography experience. This addition aims to make it easier and more intuitive to take photos, offering a more seamless and enjoyable way to capture your moments. Regarding the price, there are mixed reports. Some leaks indicate that the iPhone 16 Pro will maintain a starting price of around $999, similar to the iPhone 15 Pro. However, other sources suggest that we might see a price increase due to higher production costs. This potential price hike could reflect the advanced features and technology being introduced with the new model. And that wraps up our comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro. We hope this helped clarify the differences for you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.